afternoon, everybody. I have a 60-minute chart called Google. On the 60-minute chart, we started out with the breakout here on the 21st, and you can see this trend line that's going straight up like that. Now, when we take it back here on February 8th, and we come up through here, that trend channel right here, this is what we refer to as a double top. Now, having said that, there's another trend channel that does also play right into where we are on the other side of this trend on this 60-minute chart. Here is the most important thing. Look at that big reversal on 3-4 was just a couple days ago. We could see how we pulled back and we hit a major support level on that 60-minute chart, and we did. And that's where Google started to outperform. And this is where that sell down started on 3-4 right here. And we rallied all the way back up here and made a high. And then we kind of pulled back now. Today is 3-6. Referred to the way that it works is like this. And when we take that 60-minute wick up there and we're coming over here like that, there's a problem with the way that it closed. And we can clearly see that. So this is where it hovered on that flat line. And yeah, it's not a real big sell program, but I can tell you though that we're sitting right here on a major support level on the 60-minute. Now, as far as the option trades go, we're going to show you what that looks like on the same very 60-minute chart. Percent of option traders have never seen a call chart or a put chart. This one happens to be a monthly expiration, and they're down here and they're very cheap. Now, having said that, we know that option traders don't know how to use them. It's not by choice. It's because the broker-dealer that they have their account with doesn't have it, and they're very handicapped. And there's going to be a big move up. Right here is where these put options are going to go. This is $31.50 right here. That date that they were there was on 3/1/19. Not only that, we could see where that put side started to come up a little bit, and it's a 60-minute chart on the 1175 put on Google Options monthly March 19. We're going to show you on the 1175 put is the following. And we could see that the low was $16.80 when Google went up and put the highs in at 1174 on the intraday chart. Now, that's $20.30, and there was $16.80. That 1175 put option that you can see here was ending up at 3.40. And I can tell you right now, and you better watch me, and I'm going to tell you why. When these contracts got down here today on the 1175, they're extremely what? Deflated. You heard me. Deflated in the value. So this is what it looks like. And we are aggressively buying more of the 1175 put options on Google. Right here. 1175 monthly put option. And it is. And once again, I mean, you could take a look at Google. The strike price hit 1174 right there. You could see it. 1163 on the low. 29 highs and 73 lows. Not only that, we have 1.8 million shares traded. I'm showing you the put chart, and I'm showing you how to make a lot of money. And it's going up, and we started buying already. And we are going to continue to buy because I'll show you why. On the daily chart on Google, you could see that it hit resistance right there. And it did. And it's had a very impressive rally, and it has. But we just hit that wall of resistance, and we're going to make a couple 100% profit. This trend line right here is where we hit December 24th. So when we started out the new year in January, we've come straight right back up here. And we have. and we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 days. That is the major resistance level, and this is why the 1175 puts are going to pay us at least 150%. I'm going to conclude the fact that Google had a $10 reversal, 1174, $10 reversal of 1164. You heard what I said. How to trade options on Google. Understand where that support resistance is. Understand how to read a put chart. Understand how to make a lot of money. Take the free 5-day trial. Do yourself good.